Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the Adaptive Parabolic Binary Options Strategy. It generates trading signals based on the popular parabolic technical indicator, which warns of a trend change. In addition to it, the system also uses other basic indicators. In combination, they provide high efficiency of this strategy, especially on volatile currency pairs and cryptocurrencies. In this video review, you will learn how to correctly combine signals from several simple technical indicators to create an effective binary options trading system. Now, a few words about how to install the Adaptive Parabolic system in the MetaTrader 4 terminal. The Adaptive Parabolic strategy indicators and our template with all the settings are installed in the MetaTrader 4 platform in a standard way. Look for a link to download the archive with the trading strategy, as well as instructions for installing it in the description under this video. Let's look at the operating principle and key settings of this strategy. The Adaptive Parabolic system is based on 3 technical indicators, each of which plays a certain role in this system. The main one is Adaptive Parabolic version 2.1, which gave the name to the entire strategy. The signals of the Adaptive Parabolic indicator are displayed on the chart as dots. The blue one under the candle indicates the optimal moment for buying call options, and the red one above the candle indicates the optimal moment for buying put options. Additionally, the strategy uses 3 more indicators: Capnell channels, Adaptive Parabolic Histo, and RSI. The last 2 are classic oscillators located under the price chart, and the Keltner channel is a dynamic channel, the width of which changes depending on price fluctuations measured by the ATR indicator. Let us remind you that the ATR reflects the average range of price changes over a certain period. The higher the market volatility, the wider the channel. Conversely, with low volatility, the channel becomes narrower. Understanding these features of the Keltner channel will help you determine the best moments for trading or decide to suspend trading. We recommend leaving the Kepler channel's indicator parameter by default. It is worth adjusting its calculation period if you are not satisfied with the number of trading signals it generates. The next indicator used in the Adaptive Parabolic Binary Options strategy is the Relative Strength Index, RSI. It is very popular among traders as it allows you to evaluate not only the strength of a trend, but also the probability of its reversal. The RSI indicator is an oscillator, so its values range from 0 to 100. In this system, it is not used to evaluate the level of oversold and overbought, but to confirm the trend. When the RSI is above 65 and growing, this confirms the uptrend. If the RSI falls below 35 and continues to decline, a bearish trend is formed on the market. The last indicator in this strategy is the Adaptive Histogram Adaptive Parabolic Hist. It is located under the price chart and shows the direction of the trend. The red bars of the histogram indicate a bearish trend, and the blue ones indicate a normal trend. This histogram has similar settings to the main Adaptive Parabolic indicator. The main one is the block of basic and adaptive parameters. In terms of the principle of operation, the Adaptive Parabolic indicator is not much different from the standard parabolic, built into the MetaTrader 4 platform. Binary options traders can use it to determine the reversal point, and Forex traders to set protective stop orders. Visually, the Adaptive Parabolic is a dot located below the price during an upward trend and above the price during a downward trend. The appearance of a new dot signals a change in trend and direction for opening a trade. Now let's look at the rules for trading binary options using this strategy. As practice shows, such trading systems demonstrate good results if their signals are consistent with the current market trend. Therefore, to increase the percentage of profitable trades, we will add an exponential moving average with a period of 50 to the strategy. To filter out false signals, we will use a simple rule. Buy a call option when the candle closes above EMA 50 and a put option when the candle closes below EMA 50. To buy call options, you need to 1. Make sure that the trend is upward, the candle closed above EMA 50 in the Keltner channels. 2. A blue dot of the Adaptive Parabolic appeared. 3. The RSI indicator value is greater than 65. 4. The Adaptive Parabolic histogram is blue. 5. At the opening of a new candle, we buy a call option. To buy put options, you need to 1. Make sure that the trend is downward. The candle closed below EMA 50 and Keltner channels. 2. A red dot of the Adaptive Parabolic appeared. 3. The RSI indicator value is below 35. 4. The Adaptive Parabolic histogram is red. 5. At the opening of the next candle, we buy a put option. We recommend setting the expiration time of transactions to 3 candles. However, this period may work differently depending on the asset. Therefore, we recommend choosing the optimal holding time for positions based on the characteristics of the selected financial instrument and the results of testing on historical data. Now we will demonstrate the operation of this strategy in real time to confirm that the signals are not redrawn. The adaptive parabolic binary options strategy generates many signals, so the developers have provided an alert system that helps traders not to miss trades, which is especially convenient for scalpers trading on lower time frames M1 and M5. So, the adaptive parabolic binary options strategy is based on a popular method of technical analysis. The parabolic indicator, which is its basis, generates signals to open trades when the trend direction changes. Thus, you can trade almost any asset, from currency pairs and cryptocurrencies to commodity markets and stocks. However, do not forget that any strategy or indicator is just a tool that you need to learn how to use correctly. Be sure to check and test the indicator on a demo account and historical data, while not forgetting about the rules of risk and capital management. And also choose only proven brokers, which can be found on our website in our regularly updated rating. If you like the video, like it and subscribe to our channel. Register on our website and you will be constantly up to date with the latest news from the Sphere trading binary options, cryptocurrency, and the Forex market. Thank you all for your attention. We wish you all good profit and safe trading.